Hi guys, welcome to GM Motorsport. Today we've got some goodies from GCG, one of our long-term sponsors that we've had for quite some time. So pretty excited to see these babies, been waiting for a while. Borg Warner. So I'll open it up and see what we've got inside. So GCG helped us out. We've ran Garrett turbos, Borg Warner, a lot of different things over the years. We're always in development with GCG, great company. We work along with them like that. Also Turbo Smart and our other companies. Some of these guys are good Australian companies. We've been sponsored for 6-7 years. Some years we don't ask for anything, some years we ask for something. It's a great relationship to have, a working relationship. Won a lot of titles together, a lot of development, so always excited to work with these guys. Even before that, we're always buying turbos from GCG. You open it up, that's what you get. Product, turbos, instructions, tells you what to do, not. Inside, goodness. Okay, what we have here is on Borg Warner EFR. Won't give away the size just yet. You guys will probably tell some of the experts by the colour of the blades and a few other things. What it does have is a aluminium core. For our racing, that's essential, so nice and lightweight. So there it is. So thanks guys, GCG, and we'll be putting some stuff together with Turbo Smart as well for our new engine. So what we'll do is we'll kindly put that, actually I'll just fit that there for the moment. And come over here. While we're here, we'll give you a bit of a tour through some of our stuff behind the scenes. We don't normally do it or let too many people into our race area. Here is one of our new attacks for the season coming up to try and retain the world title and probably grab back the Australian title as well. So that's a billet LS that we're doing. Pretty cool bit of kit. There's inside, not too many times we're going to show you things like that. So we thought we might do a video with GCG and just to show you about it. So they're going to be strapped onto this baby. We've made some billet collectors as well. Lots of different things that we've done with that. EFI Hardware's just helped us out with some new butterflies as well that we've done onto this engine. So yeah, it's basically a 8 individual throttle body deal. And we'll grab this on, give you a bit of an idea of how it goes. Close enough. When you come around the back, you'll actually see some of our sponsor stuff, not some of it, all our sponsor stuff we use. So we've got the Turbo Smart race ports as well. So this is in development. Behind us we have a Group A engine as well that runs in one of the lowest classes as well. Yeah, full CNC lightweight deal. As you can see around, we've got a lot of stuff as well. I'll show under the bench. We have some Pro Charger stuff that we run, but we do a lot of turbo development. Some of that's Garrett, some of it's Borg Warner. So we definitely have tested a lot of things over the years to see what works for our application, what might work for jet sprinting, might work for rally driving. Drag racing is totally different, but the guys at GCG, they'll be able to point you in the right direction to basically do that. Here we've got some of the manifolds off some of the boats. I'm going to go too close in there, but there's some goodies in there that we've been trying out as well. Some of it successful, some not, but that's called racing, R&D and development. We do a lot of work behind us as well. We actually have these turbines and the turbine wheels on our flow bench as well. So we had a set of modified Borg Warners. They weren't up to our capacity for such a huge engine. So what we did is we basically CNC ported the housing and match flow the housing to each other, because from the casting they were about 10% different. So we basically balanced that up, less back pressure, more turbine speed. So it was a really cool thing. So guys, a bit of a behind the scenes deal here at GM Motorsport. and basically a ramjet racing team, most probably successful racing team around in the last 10 years. So that's some goodness coming up to show you. Hopefully it's successful, and hopefully we're back on the podium and get that #1 spot. Thanks GCG for supplying some new turbs. Good job.